Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Thandai Syrup. It can also be called as almonds and cashew Thandai Syrup. It is special festive drink and is also good to drink a glass of it in the morning during summers. Soak 1/3 cup Badam, that is almonds, 1/3 cup Kaju, that is cashew nuts, 1/4 cup Mingi, that is peeled melon seeds, and 1/4 cup couscous, that is poppy seeds. Soak all separately for at least 4 hours or overnight. Add 2½ cups white sugar into a pot along with 1 1/4 cups water in a pot over medium heat. Stir to dissolve sugar and bring to a boil, then simmer at medium-low heat for 2 or 3 minutes. In the meanwhile, when sugar syrup is being prepared, peel all soaked almonds, discarding the skin. By this time syrup has also simmered enough. Do not overboil. Thick syrup is not required. Just a cooked sugar syrup is needed to make Thandai Syrup. Turn off the heat. Now add 1 or 2 tablespoons or to taste whole black peppercorns along with 8 to 10 whole cloves into your dry spice grinder jar. Also add 20 to 25 green cardamoms and 1/4 cup fennel seeds in it. Grind all together into fine powder and keep aside for a while. Now drain all of soaked nuts into your grinder along with peeled almonds. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons prepared syrup also into jar and grind all into fine paste. Now add ground spice powder also into ground nuts jar and blend together until well ground and mixed. Add in more syrup if required for ease of blending. Add ground nuts and spices mixture into prepared sugar syrup. Stir to mix well, then leave covered for 10 to 15 minutes. It will allow all flavors and tastes to mingle. Strain the mixture in batches through wired sieve into a large bowl. Strain while scraping the sieve with a spoon so as to drain that last drop of extract. You may blend the residual solids along with cold milk, then strain and serve it as instant Thandai, or may blend again with some of strained syrup and strain it again to add into strained solution. Discard solids and add 1 or 2 tablespoons rose water and 1 teaspoon or more of saffron into strained Thandai Syrup. Stir to mix all, then pour Thandai Syrup into a clean glass bottle. You may refrigerate and use it up to a couple of months. Dissolve 2 or 3 tablespoons of this solution into a glass of cold milk and serve delicious healthy Thandai in earthen glass as it is served traditionally. Enjoy! Make, enjoy, and please write your views on it in comments column below. Your feedback is really important for us. Thanks for watching.